Blank.
Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how you take a PDF that a teacher will typically send a blind student because they believe PDFs are more accessible. Anyway, this was sent to me in an email, and I opened it, and huge books do take a little while to open. It probably took a couple minutes, This day and age, a couple minutes is a long time. But you can see file colon backslash blah, 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 blah dot PDF. Now, this is pretty accessible, but don't use the PDF reader. Can you use the PDF reader? Absolutely. You can use it if you really want to. But what I do is I actually
Alt
Alt-A
E. Search with Google.
and
Copied selection
copied
to
that. And then I went to Edge. You can use Chrome also. Edge is my preferred browser. So I Windows 2.
Windows 2. Link biology.
Pasted it into the URL. It asks me to log in, which I did as a student, because I want to look at this book exactly like my student does. So let's see where I'm at.
Parts of the cell vertical bar CK-12 foundation. Left bracket fit. There are many different
Great.
types of cells.
So you can
Heading
already
level
see.
left lesson last
Let me
breadcrumb
go
list
up.
parts of the cell current page.
Yeah, so I hit R for main region, which is parts of the cell, and then I down arrow. Let me go ahead and go back up.
Link biology link flex list of 3 breadcrumb heading level 1 parts of the cell.
Okay, so that is R for main region, or you can H, or you can insert F5. Excuse me, insert F6 for headings, insert F5 as elements. And all of this is in here and it reads flawlessly. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to down arrow and then I'm going to insert down arrow and show you how lovely it is.
Breadcrumb navigation region.
Now, whenever it says breadcrumb, it actually means that, it says Flexbook. You'll hear it in just a second. Flexbooks 2.0, to biology, to custom college education edition, excuse me. And if you hit enter on any one of those, it just means it's a crumb all the way in order to get to parts of cell. So if you start out with Flexbooks, then you need to find a link to biology, which will open custom college edition. And then you open that. And then you go to VCU Biology 101, you open that. And then you're on this page, parts of cell. That's what a breadcrumb is. Start with the main idea and it breaks it down to smaller.
List of 3 items.
Okay, I is always item. And so I'll just quickly do that.
Link Flexbook link biology dash custom college edition dash Google 100.
So that's only one breadcrumb, whereas, I didn't hit I, so I was thinking it was individual. It's not. That's how you know it's all one breadcrumb. That's what they call it, a breadcrumb.
Parts of the cell current page.
And that's what the current page is. So it's the last, it may be the last breadcrumb, but it's probably not. Let's go down arrow again.
List end. Breadcrumb navigation region end. Last modified Jan 01,
Brand new book.
2026.
Don't we love it?
Lesson content graphic.
Lesson content graphic. Don't we wish that actually read?
Left bracket figure 1 right bracket button.
It didn't.
Lesson content
So I'm going to
graphic.
show you something. You're going to immediately open your Be My Eyes app.
Cert Be My Eye enter.
Yep. Here we go. Should have done this
Be
first.
My Eyes loading .
Okay, Control Alt A is my big command. You can use others. Control Alt F is the image to read it. Actually, I am going to do Control Alt F because instead of having it read the whole screen. Okay, let's Alt tab back.
Parts of the cell vertical bar CK-12 foundation micros last modified breadcrumb last mod lesson content graphic. Alt Control F. Be My Eyes. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
Oh, I have no idea
Escape.
where that
Be My Eyes. Tip colon get started with Be My Eyes button to
That's what
activate
Control
parts
Alt
of
F
the
will
cell
do.
vertical bar CK-12
Okay, that's the reason why I
last
use
modify lesson
Control Alt A all the
content
time.
graphic.
Control Alt A.
Alt Control A. Parts of the cell vertical bar CK please wait
That sound is what you want to hear. And then you know it's working.
A web page titled quote 2.1 parts of the cell quote visible messages and content you should be aware of large.
Okay, now I'm just going to hush them up because of course I have my Zoom window open. I have 3 monitors, so it's going to read all of that first. in your computer, Control Alt F, I have already built in commands that take over that. It should read it fine. Or you can just hit enter and open it, and then it will read it better. Let's continue to down arrow.
Parts of this stuck on your homework. Ask Flexi 2.0. Question for Flexi.
Okay, so Flexi is your helper, so you can hit enter on it because almost everything is AI. So Flexi is AI, you can hit enter on it, and of course you can ask it a question.
Question for Flexi edit. Placeholder. What do you need help with?
Yeah, don't you like it? He's so nice.
Submit button graphic. Icon graphic.
So know that you do have your little AI guy there to ask him questions on what to do.
Close banner graphic.
Okay, so somehow I popped right up to my banner, which is because I'm doing Be My Eyes also. So let's get out of that, and then I'm going to hit R for region again.
Skip the content button. Main region.
Main region, now down arrow.
Previous lesson, acids and bases button. Acids and bases.
And we're going to do R again.
Breadcrumb navigation
There you
region.
go. And down.
List of 3 items. Link by parts of list and breadcrumb. Last modified : lesson content graphic. Left bracket figure 1 right bracket button. Heading level 4. What do a bacterial cell and 1 left bracket figure 1 right bracket
Curious
button.
if I can enter on the button.
Enter main region. Pixabay.com link.
Look at there.
http://pixabay.com/n/birch.
Okay, so this is a table. You have your image, you have your reference, and you have your attributions. Yeah, so it gives credits to them, but it doesn't describe it or anything. So I would say you don't need to hit enter on that. And I'm going to alt left arrow, see if that works first.
Going back.
And it says going back, and you have to actually enter again.
Enter parts of the cell vertical bar CK-12 foundation
and let's
document.
go ahead and go down.
Stuck on your homework. Question.
Oh, yeah,
it
popped there again. I don't want it there. I'm just going to hit H for edit.
Parts of the cell heading level 1.
Okay, now I'm just going to do insert down arrow and listen.
Heading level 1. Parts of the cell breadcrumb navigation region. List of 3 items. Link Flexbooks 2.0. Link Biology Custom College Edition Google 101. Parts of the cell current page list and breadcrumb navigation region and last modified : Jan 001,
Okay, everybody already knows how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a 5.
Select the form field dialog.
And yowza, look at all the options you have. And truly, anything on this page is going to be under Insert F5, Insert F6, Insert F7. The first time, you're going to need to read the page. That's the bottom line. If you're the student and you need to read parts of the cell, you just need to insert down arrow and you just need to listen to absolutely everything here. But yeah, it's wonderful.
Escape.
Let's go ahead and insert F6 now. Insert F6.
Heading list dialog. Headings list view. Breadcrumb navigate.
So the teacher is going to say, go to this heading. Okay, if she says cell diversity, hit C.
C. Common parts of cells : C. Cell diversity : 4. 7.
Okay, so you can do first letter navigation using your headings list, going to any place that you need to go. Let's just hit enter on that. And it immediately pops you down. Do have your Be My Eyes app open. You can also use your JAWS insert space PC. So I should have done that on the graphic because it probably would have done it much better than the Be My Eyes, and it would have only done the graphic. So do use that. Let's use insert F7.
Links list dialog. Links list view below 6 of.
And I'm going to just down arrow.
Water insects. Get it on Google Play. Available in the Chrome web. Add to iOS. Install web app 12 of 44.
So if you need to listen to a lot of stuff, you could add this to iOS and you could listen to it also. But if you actually have to do work, it's easier to do it right on the computer.
Try it on What's Our Mission. Meet the T partner. Press Effica Career Secure Blah. CK.
Okay, so these are the more, it doesn't look that helpful. I would say insert F5, insert F6, so you're going to be your best friends.
Escape.
Okay, let's go ahead and control home to go to your navigation.
Parts of the cell vertical bar. Parts of the cell vertical bar. CK-12 home page. Filter search by subjects. Menu button.
Okay, when you don't know something, you're going to tab through and we're going to find out what navigation is. My guess is it's a button under insert F5. I could do that right now, but we're going to go ahead and tab across.
What do you want to learn today? Edit, execute, search, subject, button, collapsed as pop-up dialog.
Well, that's pretty easy. And it's a button, so B, that's under insert F5.
Explore button, collapsed as pop, donate, but Dr. Denise, main region, previous lesson, next lesson, proc, start practice, but table of contents, button, collapsed, to activate.
And once again, insert F5. And now you know, instead of called navigation, you know it's table of contents. Insert F5. I'm just going to bring that up and show you where it's
Select
at.
the form field dialog. List 1, list view, table of contents.
And there it is. So anytime you land on something, if it says it's a button or some type of element, always insert F5 so you actually know it's really there. So when you have to go to the table of contents text, that's how easy it is. Okay, hit escape.
Escape to activate.
And enter and
table
open.
of content
There
dialog.
you go.
Heading level 1 table of contents.
Down arrow.
Link biology. Link by Jill R. Link progress 1. Intro 2. Cell biology 1.
Oh.
Introduction to biology.
So if you need to go there, 0 out of 20. So, you're going to need to go to introduction to biology, 0 out of 20. You always aim for 20. So you get 20 out of 20 there. So you do need to start there. I'm just going to down arrow just so you can hear everything's here.
2. Cell biology. Progress : 0 lesson left parent S right parent attempted out of 40 region.
Yeah, so you probably don't want to skip steps.
Visited link 2.1 parts of the cell.
So we're just going to go up back to introduction to biology. So all you have to do is just navigate down through each of your table of contents.
2. 1. Link progress.
Link progress. No progress yet.
1. Introduction to biology.
Enter.
Expanded. 1.
Okay.
Introduction
Down
to
arrow.
1. Introduction to biology. Progress : 0 lesson left parent S right parent attempted out of 20 region.
I'm going to insert tab. Listen to where I'm at.
1. Introduction to biology. Progress : 0 lesson left parent S right.
That's hilarious.
Link 1.1 scientific method.
Okay, so even though visually you see it, don't go by your vision. Down arrow, wait until you actually hear it. 1.1 scientific method. And this is where you can actually use your links list because these are all links also. So hit enter.
Enter main region.
And we go back.
Scientific method vertical bar CK dash.
Beautiful. Now your table of contents stays open, so you should just be able to hit H right to your heading to the main region.
Table of contents wrapping to top. Table of contents
Nope.
heading left.
R.
1. Introduction wrapping to top. 1.
Oh, wow.
Introduction to biology.
Now let's find out what 1.1 is, because if it's not, and we may actually be stuck in the table of contents. That typically what happens. So I'm going to shift B to actually close it.
1. Introduction to biology. Progress :
And I shift tab. I want to insert tab to see if it says close button.
1. Introduction to by link prog by Jill link by heading level 1 take close sidebar button space
Close.
Scientific.
Now R for region.
Stuck on your homework main region.
Yep. And H.
Scientific method.
Okay. So you see how that works? If your table of content is open, you literally will have to navigate all the way through that before you get to your main region, because we should have been able to hit H really easily and jump there, but it's not. The table of content locks it up. So you close it, you open your table of contents, go to where you need to go, hit enter, make sure you close it, then you can go ahead and hit R for main region, H for scientific method, insert down arrow, and start listening. So very easy, very accessible. This is the way you want to go ahead and do that. So open that PDF. Can you do it in Adobe? Sure, you can, but this is easier because all your commands are right there and available. Technically, they are in Adobe also, but I'm more of a browser navigator, so that's the way I'm doing it. So this is how you navigate scientific method for CK12 science book, and this is for a biology college class. Okay, all you users, go out there and conquer the world with all those other books out there. Okay, see you in the next lesson.
Leaving menu Alt Q end meeting enter.